Arrested BJP MLC alleges that there's an attempt to murder him. C.T. Ravi, who was taken in custody by the police, has said that cops took 3 hours to even give a first aid to me. C.T. Ravi was taken in custody because of some allegedly inappropriate crass remarks he made in the assembly. When he was being taken to the police station, he appears to have received some injuries, and he says cops parked their cars at deserted areas. The Congress government is responsible if there is any trouble that I face. He was basically shifted when he was being, he was injured when he was being shifted from police station to the hospital for a medical checkup, bleeding from the forehead. He's alleging that this was a plot to kill him.
ಸುಮಾರು 8 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಖಾನಾಪುರ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಠಾಣೆಗೆ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನನ್ನ ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವ ಮೊಕದ್ದಮೆ ದಾಖಲಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನನಗೆ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ಕೊಟ್ಟ ದೂರನ್ನ ಗಂಟೆಗಟ್ಟಲೆಯಿಂದ ಸ್ವೀಕಾರ ಮಾಡ್ದಲೇನೆ ನಾನು 0 FIR ಹಾಕಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಾನು ಕೊಟ್ಟ ದೂರನ್ನು ದಾಖಲಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇನ್ನೆಲ್ಲಿಗೋ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗುವಂತ ಸಂಚು ನಡೆಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ನನ್ನ ಜೀವಕ್ಕೆ ಅಪಾಯ ಇದೆ. ನನ್ನ ಜೀವಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಅಪಾಯ ಆದರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾರಣ ಇಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಅವ್ರ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ಹೊತ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ನನ್ನ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಸುಳ್ಳು ಸುದ್ದಿ ಹಬ್ಬಿಸಿ ಸುಳ್ಳು ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಕೊಲೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸಂಚು ನಡೆಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂತೆ ನಾನು ಸಭಾಪತಿಗಳಿಗೂ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ದೂರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಹತ್ತತ್ರ 3:45 ಗಂಟೆ ಆಯಿತು. ನಾನು ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಠಾಣೆಗೆ ಬಂದು ಏನು ದೂರಿದೆ ಅಂತಲೂ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ, ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಲೂ ಕೇಳಿಲ್ಲ. ಹೀನಾಯವಾಗಿ ನಡೆಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಮತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕೂಡ ನನಗೆ ಸ್ಪಷ್ಟತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನನ್ನ ಜೀವಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ತೊಂದರೆ ಆದರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಪೊಲೀಸರು ಮತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿಯ ಸರ್ಕಾರ, ವಿಶೇಷವಾಗಿ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಹೆಬ್ಬಾಳ್ಕರ್, DK ಶಿವಕುಮಾರ್ ಅವ್ರ ತಂಡವೇ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾರಣ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಈ ಮೂಲಕ ನಾನು ತಿಳಿಸೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಯಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ನಿಗೂಢವಾಗಿದೆ. ಯಾವುದೋ ಕ್ರಿಮಿನಲ್ಗಳನ್ನು ನಡೆಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರು ನಡೆಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತಿರೋ ರೀತಿ ಅನುಮಾನ ಹುಟ್ಟಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ನಡೆಯೂ ಕೂಡ ಅನುಮಾನಾಸ್ಪದವಾಗಿದೆ ಅವರು ನಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ರೀತಿ. ನಾನೊಬ್ಬ ಜನಪ್ರತಿನಿಧಿಯಾಗಿ ಮಂತ್ರಿಯಾಗಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದವನು ನಾನು ಕೊಟ್ಟ ದೂರಿಗೆ 0 FIR ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಮೀನಾಮೇಷ ಎಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದೆಲ್ಲವೂ ಅವರು ತುರ್ತು ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿಯ ಕಾಲಘಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿ ನಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
Sagai Rao joins me for the latest on that. Sagai, good morning. What exactly happened? And a full-on kill plot he's alleging, but why?
Absolutely. C.T. Ravi alleges that is a conspiracy to murder him, and he has also blamed District in Charge Minister, Deputy Chief Minister, as well as Minister Lakshmi Hebbalkar and DK Shivakumar in this entire conspiracy against him. And he has also claimed that the police are taking him around Belagavi without even taking him to one particular place. He was being shifted from Khanapura, and thereafter they have taken to multiple places. Remember, there was a security threat against him. Few people even barged inside Vidhan Sauda and tried to assault him. Keeping all those things in the mind, police are also taking precautionary measure to ensure that these kind of untoward incidents should not be repeated. And he's been not kept in one particular place because there is a fear that a lot of people might storm into that particular place, because Belagavi is a district of Lakshmi Hebbalkar. She is from here. She's an MLA and she's a minister from Belagavi district. And the statement made by C.T. Ravi is in Belagavi. So there are a lot of people who had protested, and they have also tried to barge inside Vidhan Sauda to attack him. Keeping all these things in the mind, the police are not keeping C.T. Ravi at one place, fearing that people might storm there and attack him. And he might be produced in front of Belagavi court today on the cases which has been registered. Remember, the case has been registered under BNS 75 as well as 79. According to opposition party leader, these are the section which is amount to less than 3 years of quantum of punishment. Probably in all possibilities, he might get a bail in this particular case. So, but we need to wait and watch whether there are many more drama which might unfold by the time he could be produced in front of the court.
All right, Sagai, keep tracking the latest on that. Specifically, what happens to the bail if that comes to C.T. Ravi, or could it be perhaps more trouble brewing in, and about the words that he used in the Senate?